Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today, where I'll be doing final tests on Mike's Whitfield brand Pellet Stove Controller. Mike sent me this one because he was having some Auger Drive issues with it. It just simply wouldn't work. When I received it, I did some tests on it, and sure enough, it had a problem. With that, I went ahead and replaced a couple components, and the controller is once again functional. So I'm ready to do final tests on it. I currently have it connected to my tester, and my tester goes as follows. Of course, I have Mike's Pellet Stove Controller here. I also have an auger motor behind this faceplate, and the auger motor has a shaft that comes out the front, and it has a decal on it that will spin whenever the controller calls for the auger to drive. That's a visual indicator for you. You'll also hear it on the video. The motor does make a motor sound, so to speak. Additionally, as part of my tester, I have 3 light bulbs at the back that simulate different functions of your stove. The first is the combustion fan, the second is the auger motor, and the third is the convection or room fan. We'll be seeing all 3 of these come on and off during testing. As I noted, I have the controller connected to my tester, so let me go ahead and turn the controller on, and we'll see a couple lights come on. We see the light that simulates the combustion fan came on, and we see the light that simulates the convection or room fan also came on. The first thing we can do is on the controller, it's got the blower speed control. I have it set to low right now, but if I increase it, we see the intensity of the light bulb that simulates the convection fan go up and down. That simulates the fan running harder or slower. So that is functional. The other thing we can check right now is the heat output system. That will make the combustion or room fan brighter. So as I step up through it, there's a slight increase each time in the intensity of the light bulb, which means a slight increase each time in the speed of the fan. Finally, the last thing we can do is the auger test, and we do that by turning on the auger, and we wait for the first cycle to come on. There it is. First cycle came on. We're on low heat output right now, so the duration between auger cycles is a bit long, as you can see. Let's do one more cycle of that. Notice that the light for the auger on also comes on. And if I switch it to max, that will cause the auger drive to come on more often. There's the difference. Notice the difference there. I'll go back to low, and we'll see the auger not drive quite as often. Longer off period. I'll go back to high now, and as I do that, notice that the combustion fan intensity also increases as I step through. So let's leave it like this. We'll do 2 cycles of that. There it is. And I'll turn this off. So Mike, I want to thank you very much for sending me your controller for repairs. I appreciate that. As we can see, it is once again fully functional. For all you viewers, if you have a Whitfield brand pellet stove controller of your own that has some issues that you need serviced, please feel free to contact me. You'll find my contact information in the video description just below this video. I do hope this video was useful for you. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that very much. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.